What is HTML? When you think of the internet, you probably imagine colorful, interactive websites and apps. But behind every website you see, there's a foundational language making it all work. This language is HTML, or Hypertext Markup Language. If you're new to the world of websites, understanding HTML is a great first step towards demystifying how web pages work and are created. Think of HTML as the skeleton or framework of almost every website you visit. It's the foundational code that defines the structure of a web page, organizing its content so browsers like Chrome, Safari, and Firefox know exactly what to display and where. With HTML, you can decide where different pieces of content will go, such as texts, images, and links. It's not about making things pretty. That's a job of another language called CSS, but about setting up a clear structure that any web browser can interpret and show on screen. To understand how HTML creates web pages, think of it as a way to label different parts of your content. HTML uses special codes called tags to tell the browser what each part of the content represents. Here are a few examples of these tags in action. HTML uses H1, H2, H3 to create headings of different sizes. H1 is the biggest heading, often used for titles, while H2 or H3 are used for subheadings. Paragraphs. P tags wrap around blocks of text, letting the browser know these are paragraphs. It helps organize text in readable sections. Links. The A tag, short for anchor, is used to add clickable links. This is where the hypertext in Hypertext Markup Language comes in, allowing users to jump from one page to another seamlessly. Images. IMG tags allow HTML to display images on the page. You can set the image source, alt text, and size directly within this tag. Each of these tags represents a different type of content and tells the browser how to display it. When combined, these tags create a structure that makes websites readable, interactive, and user-friendly. HTML is essential because it's what brings structure and interactivity to the internet. Without HTML, we wouldn't have the clickable links, organized paragraphs, or defined headings that make websites easy to navigate. For anyone who wants to create or manage a website, even a basic understanding of HTML can be incredibly useful. Beyond just regular web pages, HTML also plays a big role in web applications. With HTML5, the latest version of HTML, developers can create more interactive and complex web applications that feel like standalone apps. Features like video players, audio elements, and interactive forms can now be built directly with HTML5. Getting started with HTML is simpler than you might think. You don't need any advanced tools or programming experience. Start small. Try creating a simple HTML document on your computer. Use tags like H1, P, and A to get comfortable with the basics. Practice with online resources. Many websites, like Code Academy, offer free HTML tutorials for beginners. And inspect existing websites. Use the Inspect feature in your browser to see the HTML behind any website. It's a fun way to learn how different elements are structured. HTML is the building block of the internet, providing the structure and layout for every web page. It's a universal language that's essential for anyone interested in creating, managing, or even just understanding websites. While it may seem complex at first, HTML is surprisingly approachable. With a few basics, you can start creating structured, organized content and unlock a deeper understanding of how the web works. If you have questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below and check out our other videos answering commonly asked questions. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be notified when we post our new videos.